how to turn on or turn off auto scan documents and text in camera on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, open up the camera app. Next, in here, tap on the quick controls icon. Then tap on the settings icon in the menu. So tap on back and then tap on the settings icon. Next, tap on scan documents and text. Tap on the left hand side panel. Then in here at the top, make sure you turn on scan documents and text by tapping on the toggle button to switch it on. Then go down and tap on auto scan. Tap on the auto scan toggle button to turn on or switch off auto scan. Here it will automatically capture documents and text without pressing the shutter button. And finally, you can tap on the back key to go back to your camera, or tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Okay, so here we can test it out. Launch the camera, and I'll place the camera here. Let's see if it's going to auto scan. And here you can see after I holding my phone for a few seconds, it automatically can scan the pictures with document and text. And then I can tap on the download button to save the changes. So if I tap on it, the document is now saved. So all of that is done automatically without me having to press on the shutter button. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.